Hi guys, it's Michelle. Today I'm going to be showing you around my living room and what I did for Christmas. But before we jump into the video, I want to thank ShopTagger for sponsoring a portion of this video. ShopTagger is an app and a Chrome extension that uses technology to ensure you never miss a price drop or a coupon code. And if you're like me, you love saving money on your purchases, and it's already saved me money on a sofa that I bought from Big Lots, which I'm going to show you in a minute. And ShopTagger will send you an email notification when that item goes on sale, or if you download the app to your phone, it will push you a notification when that item goes on sale, or if that item comes back in stock. And signing up is easy. Just put in your email, select a password, and then you can just start shopping. To whatever website that you want to buy something from, and you select whatever item you're looking for. Well, the ShopTagger symbol will show up in the right upper corner of your screen. Click on that icon to save it, and then it'll let you know when it goes on sale or it comes back in stock. And it'll send you a notification, like I said, when that item goes on sale. You can set up a list on your ShopTagger app where you can kind of organize things that you're looking for so that it makes it easier. Like if you're looking for pillows or you're looking for sofas. So like this little sectional right here, I did get this for $5.89 after ShopTagger notified me that it was on sale. I just love saving money when I buy things because I don't like to waste my money. And I do like the way they will provide you a coupon code right before you check out so that you can get any savings that are available for that item. And ShopTagger just launched a new cashback feature. You can earn cash via PayPal when you shop from select retail partners. So click on the link in my description box so you can save some money while you do your holiday shopping. Now let's go ahead and jump into the video. So for the living room, I incorporated the color red. It's like a brick red. And all of these pillow covers are from Amazon. I didn't buy any new pillows. I just covered the pillows that I already had. And that was a really cost-effective way of incorporating a new color for Christmas, because I didn't want to break the bank trying to incorporate red, but I really wanted to do it this year. So over here, I'm going to give you a closer look of everything in a minute, but I'm just going to kind of take you around the room a little bit first. So over here on the other side of the room is where I have this chest with these two gold lamps that I got from Ross. I didn't change my wall art, and the wall art is from Ross, and the piece above it is from Ross. Okay, very affordable. And then over here on my coffee table, I'll start off by showing you what I put on here. I just incorporated this red reindeer, and I got that from Ross a few weeks ago. And these cute little Santa coasters, I just love these. They were only like $4.99 for a pack of 4. This decor piece was already there, and I thought that looked really great. This box, a lot of people ask me about. This is from Burlington, and I believe it was only like $12. So that was a really great price. Now back over here by the fireplace, I did put up a garland, but I wanted it to be really simple because I have flanked it with my 2 armchairs right here, and I didn't want to take away from it. These chairs, I do have my pillows in here that I got from zgallerie, and I do have these red sweater throws that actually match the same color as the pillows. But the throws are from Homegoods, and I was just lucky enough to find the exact same color. And I absolutely love the way this looks because it does really pop against these chairs. And then over here on the sofa, I just kept it really simple with just the red and the cream color pillows. And I just love the way this all looks together. The wall art and the wall art is from Pier 1, and the sconces are from zgallerie as well. The little table in between over there is from Ross. I believe that was like $40. It was a really good deal. You can really find some great deals at Ross, but you just have to keep going back and go back during the week. So guys, I want to thank you all for watching. I want to thank ShopTagger again for supporting my channel and sponsoring this video. And I will see you in the next one.